Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how we can create a stack data structure in Python using a list. A stack is a linear data structure that follows the principle of last in first out, LIFO, and that means the last element inserted inside the stack is removed first. Okay, as the first step we need to create our list. I will call that as my stack. You can use your own variable name for this. Set that to square brackets, and we need to create new definitions for push function, and this will take in argument. First one, the stack data structure, and the value that going to inserted into this stack. Okay, in this function we are going to say this stack dot append, and we have to pass in this value to this append method. Okay, now the next definition is for pop. Pop is used to delete the element, so this will take in the stack only, because we don't need to pass the value that going to be deleted, because when we are going to delete element, it will know we are going to delete the last element in the stack. For example, let's consider there are 1 2 3 4, these are the elements in the stack. It knows always it is going to delete the last element, which is the element that added recently into the stack. Inside this function we are going to say return. That means we are going to return the deleted item. To delete that, we can say stack.pop. This method will remove the last element in the list. Okay, finally we can use these functions to push and pop elements. Firstly, we are going to push some elements. We can use push function, and it will ask some arguments. We have to pass in this list name my stack, so this will pass in the pointer to this list. Then we have to pass in the value that we want to add. In this case we want to add something like, let's say, a. If we print our list now, we should be able to see our element is there. Now we got a in our list. Similarly, we can add multiple elements to our stack. I will change this value as b and the last one as c. Now let's go ahead and see our stack data structure. Here we got a, b, c. Okay, now we will go to this pop scenario. We can call to that pop. We have to pass in our stack, which is this list. Now if we print this, because it is returning this value, the last element will be returned to this call. Okay, now here we got c, and when we call to pop function again with this my stack, we should get this b, because when we are removing something, the last element will be removed in the list. Okay, we got b, and the last value we should get a. Okay, all right, that's how this stack data structure works. So I hope this video helps. If this video helps, please subscribe. Thank you.